Hello friends, this is the update on the trade that I took and I booked partial profits on is FACT. So FACT had made a hammer and also a bull sash on 27th of October, hammer on 26th. So there was two continuous bullish signals that was giving. So I entered the position yesterday on the closing price of 27th, 674, and today it dropped to 756. So 756 is also the previous high, and I booked half my position here. I'll book another 1/3 and the next high 774, and then I'll keep the last little bit for higher targets should they come. So this is an example of how we can trade in even in a worse market conditions. Right. But I know that the market was going to pull back, so I could do a couple of trades. So this is what I meant by doing some pullback trades in this buy, and I'm conservative in my targets. So that's why I booked half already, and now half I'll trade somewhere here, 700, and let's see if it hits some other targets. So very less number of positions, or position size remains the same, but the number of positions is very less due to the state of the market. There are multiple factors which makes this trade, why I took this trade. So if you have read my book on candlesticks, you will understand at least 2 or 3 different buying triggers on this, which made my confidence very high to invest even if the market was in a downtrend. So if you haven't read the book, please read it. It teaches you the basics of price action, and with practice, you can also get such trades. So just a piece of advice, that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.